Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is Islamic Studio and Tutorial Center. Today topic is number 1, definite numeral adjective. I twago tt shasha popiado. Number 2, indefinite numeral adjective. I atwai pamanago popiado. Number 3, distributive numeral adjective. I atwago kwewe popado. Number 4, demonstrative adjective. Nema uditana. Number 3, interrogative adjective. Amin nema uditana. Number 1, definite numeral adjective mema definite numeral adjective made. Number A, 1 2 3 etc. Tele 1 2 3 tele kinai furanti 9 arubishi ase ti ning tung le asamshi tele 1 2 3 4 500 indra furanti sara. Number B, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, etc. Patama Duria Tharia Sadura Asamachi. There एक number, 2 number, 3 number, 7 number, 1st number in Dila Furanti Sara. Example, the hen has 5 fingers. The hen has 5 fingers. 5 hoddiba ಇದೆ definite numeral adjective. Fingers hoddiba non ladwin last song shizi hata marga se all faso ase. Number 2, Sunday is the first day of the week. Sunday is the first day of the week. Tele first hoddiba definite numeral adjective. Day hoddiba non tanaguni nidi yatape I patamani pidi. Sunday hoddiba robibar hoddiba সপ্তাহ ফইলাতিন. Number 3, there are 20 boys and 22 girls in our class. 20 hoddiba definite numeral adjective. Boys hoddiba noun. 22 hoddiba definite numeral adjective. Girls hoddiba noun. Akentema yauchale na se yaune mingle na te na yau shidi. Tele class ভিতরে kuriwa murtfuade bashwa mayavwa ase. Number 4, mama owned the third prize. Mama owned the third prize. Telim third hodiba definite numeral adjective. Prize hodiba noun. Mama ga thadiya suyashi kedi. Mama ida se 3 number और बख्शिश 5. मामा ये 3 number और बख्शिश 5. Number 2, indefinite numeral adjective mama indefinite numeral adjective kolomade all on the beginning. Many miapada beshabishi several miapada beshabishi. Some ashuza turaguri no mashida 9. Certain ashuza turaguri few aningeda homguri any tadun takuzo honakan. Example, number 1, all men must die. All men must die. All hoddiba indefinite numeral adjective. Men hoddiba noun. Luta alun teyami. Manush hoddihin beginitu ki oravuribo moravuribo. Number 2, there are no pictures. in this book. তাহলে no হতে বা indefinite numeral adjective pictures হতে বা non isauri pumya mshiba yo pumya mshiba এই বুক কমাদে হলো কি নাই ছবি নাই Number 3 there are several mistakes in your exercise তাহলে several হতে বা indefinite numeral adjective mistake হতে বা non tin legend kenduin amma miado shidi তোমার কি অম্মাদে লেজেন কে অম্মাদে বেশা বেশি কি আছে গলত আছে Number 4 you have taught me many things তাহলে many হতে বা indefinite numeral adjective things হতে বা non mi ngago aya miado tin bekede তুমি আছে আরে বেশা বেশি কি হজ্জ শিখায় Number 3 distributive numeral adjective mama distributive numeral adjective klamade es atiti tele atiti fotekan every time dondan either naku anat kupida dianubudatu ekkan neither naku anat kuma mahodo dianubudatu ekkanano in the distributive numeral adjective example number 1 each boy must take his turn each boy must take his turn each hodiba distributive numeral adjective boy hodiba non Yausharanduin tu alle yoyam futtiugo morot fattuda se zazarhan tatwatu kebo zazarhan tatwatu fonsibu Number 2 every man has his duties every hodiba distributive numeral adjective man hodiba non ludaima 2000 shide futtiugo manchutu zazazima tatwatu ase daito tatwatu futtiegzonatu futtiugo manchutu ase Number 3 you may join other side you may join either side either hodiba ide distributive numeral adjective side hodiba non tapane tapa pupo nandi eddake hamakatwatu ki yuri fara huru mili fara huru Number 4 neither party is quite in the right neither hodiba distributive numeral adjective party hodiba non be party masu amentaya mchibu zehono party boli ho soigan nai soi nai Number 4 demonstrative adjective yempa nema udetana non go yempa do adjective pidi non ore da se ishara gori da hadi non ore ishara gori ar ki gorde ishara yator madde da hade adjective piba This book is how a book this horses imya egor okol that book to sao o book those horses to imya ogor okol such person to kedo lu o manshuddilla Number 5 interrogative adjective ami nema udetana tele jibe ki ase soali nema udetana diba asiba what which whose dozi interrogative adjective ami nema udetana mya pidi tele what which whose in the ase interrogative adjective example which way shall we go? Which way shall we go? Which hoddiba ide interrogative adjective way hoddiba noun ngado belenga twamele ara dase horrastaba zayn ara horrastaba zayn. Number 2, whose book is this? Whose book is this? Whose hoddiba interrogative adjective book hoddiba noun disa oga bitu hale e book har a book har. Number 3, what color do you like? What color do you like? What hoddiba interrogative adjective color hoddiba noun timbe ayongo chaile তুমি দাসে হন রঙরে দাসে পছন্দ কর তাহলে আজ টপিক ওই দেখ দূর don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Thanks for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.